maybe as a means of introduction, Gianluca has been heavily involved in the Quality Improvement Committee of the ESG, has been heavily involved in developing also cleanliness scores for upper GI endoscopy. So we're very interested to hear about all of that, but particularly, I think, cleanliness scoring, Gianluca.
It's a great honor to be here. And again, thank you to David, to Maria Eva, to Peter Jan. The first live was really outstanding. So thank you so much again for the invitation. And I will talk about the importance of premedication in the upper GI endoscopy. So we know that the upper GI endoscopy is one of the most common procedure. And of course, it is really important because it identifies early neoplastic lesions. But the problem is that most of the time we have foam, we have bubbles, we have biliary fluid, so and mucus, and the mucosal visualization could be impaired by these things. And we know that the gastric cancer has a missing rate of between 10 and 20%. So we have a big problem when we talk about upper GI endoscopy and the quality of upper GI endoscopy. Everyone, as David said at the beginning, think that we are doing our best gastroscopy, but probably we have to face that it's not like that.